Today I'm showing you how to descale your Nespresso Vertuo Pop in a few simple steps. For the best tasting coffee, regular descaling is a must. So let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need the Nespresso descaling kit. If you don't have one, you'll find the link below. Start by plugging in your Vertuo Pop and making sure that the capsule container is empty. Turning the lever left to lock it will power the machine back on if it's entered energy saving mode. Wait until the light is steady. This takes approximately 30 seconds. Now pour 1 packet of descaling solution and 500 milliliters of water into the water tank. Put a large empty jug in front of your Vertuo Pop to catch any wastewater. You definitely don't want it spilling elsewhere. Be ready. The next 2 steps involve pressing the button for 7 seconds each, and you have just 45 seconds between them to get it right. Step 1. Turn the lever at the top to unlock your Nespresso machine. Then press and hold the button for 7 seconds until you see it blink orange. That's your descaling mode kicking in. Step 2. Lock the machine. Unlock it again, and then hold the button for another 7 seconds until it blinks orange again. Final step. Lock the machine one last time and press the button to kickstart the descaling. Subscribe now and you'll always have these instructions at your fingertips. Your future self will thank you. Your Vertuo Pop is now busy clearing out all of that built up limescale and residue. Once the descaling solution is used up, the machine will continue blinking orange. Once the tank is empty, it's time to clean the water tank thoroughly and fill it back up with clean water and place it back onto the machine. Empty the descaling water and return the jug to the front again. Now hit that button and we're on to the final rinse cycle. After the rinse cycle finishes, the light will blink white and then stay solid white. That means we're all done. Your Nespresso Vertuo Pop is fully descaled and back to making the perfect coffee. Make yourself a fresh coffee to celebrate. If you find written guides easier, we've got a step-by-step instructions with pictures on lovefoodfeed.com. The link is in the description. Don't forget to save this video as you will need to descale your Vertuo Pop every 3 months to keep it in shape. Please like this video if it helped and subscribe for more coffee care tips.